Hey everybody, it's Jeff G. Holt with V-Twin Visionary, and I'm here today with something really cool for you Softail owners. The Speed Dealer Fender Struts. These things are a thing of beauty. As you can see, billet aluminum made to match all those beautiful Speed Dealer swing arms. This thing is beefy, yet way lighter than the stock setup. I mean, man, the machining, even on the back of these things, are amazing. Up front, you know, all the marks that match everything that Speed Dealer does. They come in, of course, this beautiful as machined look. They also have a myriad of colors, some combinations of colors as well coming out. And I think that they even have some Cerakote options coming as well. So, hey, man, if you want any more info on these guys, hit up Speed Dealer or vtwinvisionary.com. Thanks so much for looking at all of our great products we represent and show the world. And man, this is definitely one of them. Speed Dealer.